Hail's all over the place.
I ate hail.
You ate hail?
Yeah.
Don't eat it from the ground. Lots of hail.
Oh, see.
Lots of hail. Hail, hail everywhere.
I'm sorry.
Do you like all the hail, Aubrey?
Let's try this.
Zoom it in. Focus. Aubrey, don't eat it from the ground. If it's coming from you can open up your mouth and catch it from the air, but don't pick it up from the ground and eat it.
I can't.
Don't pick it up from the ground and eat it, Aubrey. Well, I know because the hail's not falling down anymore.
Ice.
You like the ice, Chica? Where's the ice at, Chica?
I want this over. Okay?
Don't eat it. Okay, Batman cape. No, 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 Hunter. Okay, have fun, you guys.
We like hail.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay, don't get wet. Did you catch any in your mouth, Hunter? Ooh, how much did you catch?
A lot.
Oh, wow. Try it. Open your mouth and put your head up in the air. Are you catching any rain? Okay, just wait. You will. I'll do it again. Are you catching any raindrops in your mouth? All right. Chica, don't get wet.
We're having fun.
Yep. What are you, Aubrey? Okay, don't eat the hail from the ground, Aubrey.
That's a movie you're taking now.
Yeah. You can see them. You can see them all in there.
Yeah.
You can zoom in on them.
Oh, yeah.
Get closer. Are you cold, Chica? You want to come inside? Do you catch Chica? Do you catch some on your tongue too? Nope. It's almost cold enough to snow.
What's that?
It's